Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. The puzzle which we're gonna solve in this video is known as bottle, burger and beer glass puzzle. Let's start solving the puzzle. Pause this video for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle. After solving, please share your answer in the comment section. So your time starts now. Three, two, one, stop. Hope you all enjoyed solving it. Let's begin to see the correct answer. Here we go. So I'll take my first equation. In the first equation, I have got 3 bottles whose sum is equal to 30. On solving this equation, it will be 3 into 1 bottle is equal to 30. So 1 bottle is equal to 30 divided by 3. So bottle value would be equal to 10. So this is end of our first equation. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation, we have 1 bottle and 2 burgers whose sum is equal to 20. Putting the value of bottle, that is equal to 10, into the equation and solving this equation for the value of burger. So 10 plus 2 into burger is equal to 20. So 1 burger will be equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So this is end of our second equation. By the end of second equation, we have 2 values, that is 1 bottle is equal to 10 and 1 burger is equal to 5. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation, we have 1 burger and 2 sets of 2 beer glasses and whose sum is equal to 9. Now we know the value of burger, that is equal to 5. Putting value of burger in the equation and solving this equation for the value of beer glass. So 5 plus 2 into pair of beer glasses is equal to 9. So pair of beer glasses would be equal to 9 minus 5 divided by this 2. So 2 beer glasses is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So friends, if 2 beer glasses is equal to 2, so 1 beer glass would be equal to 2 divided by 2, 1. So this is end of our third equation. Now jumping on to our last equation. In the last equation, we have 1 burger, 1 beer glass into 1 bottle. Now putting the value of all these items present in the equation and solving this equation for our final answer. So 1 burger is equal to 5, 1 beer glass is equal to 1 and 1 bottle is equal to 10. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS, firstly we have to multiply this value, that is 1 into 10, and the value which will come after multiplication, we have to add that with 5. So 5 plus 1 into 10, 5 plus 10, that is equal to 15. Hence we have solved this puzzle. Hope you all liked the puzzle. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel for more puzzles and riddles. Thank you so much. Bye.